If you think Meta Quest 3 changed the game, then what I'm about to tell you might completely reshape what you believe VR is going to become. Because the Meta Quest 4 isn't just another headset upgrade. It may be the moment VR stops feeling like a cool gadget and starts feeling like something you literally can't live without. And I'm not exaggerating. This is bigger than resolution, bigger than performance, bigger than mixed reality. The Quest 4 could be the headset that finally makes people stop asking, "Why do I need VR?" and start asking, "How did I live without it?" But here's the crazy part. Most people don't even realize what Meta is doing right now. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Because while the internet is busy arguing over Apple Vision Pro versus Quest 3, Meta is quietly building something much more dangerous. A VR ecosystem so smooth, so addictive, so practical, that once you put it on, real life starts looking like the lower resolution version. And today, I'm going to walk you through everything we know, everything that's rumored, and everything Meta is almost certainly hiding about the Meta Quest 4, including the most important question of all: should you wait for Quest 4 or buy a Quest 3 right now? Because depending on what kind of person you are, buying now could either be the smartest decision you make this year, or the biggest regret. So stay with me, because the details you're about to hear are the difference between being early to the next era, or being left behind watching everyone else experience it first. Let's start with the truth nobody wants to admit out loud. VR has been in its almost there phase for way too long. 4 years, VR headsets have been like that one friend who always promises they're about to glow up, but never fully does. We kept hearing, "This is the year VR goes mainstream." We heard it in 2016. We heard it in 2019. We heard it again in 2021. And then again in 2023. And yet even now, in 2026, VR still feels like something you buy because you're interested in tech, not because you truly need it. And that's not because VR isn't amazing. It is. But it's missing something. It's been missing the feeling of effortlessness. The feeling that it's not an extra device, but an extension of your life. And Meta knows that. They know exactly what's been holding VR back. They know why headsets keep ending up on shelves collecting dust. And Quest 4 is rumored to be the first headset designed specifically to destroy that problem permanently. Because here's what's happening in the real world. People don't quit VR because the games are boring. They quit because friction kills habits. The headset feels heavy after 20 minutes. The strap feels annoying. The boundaries pop up when you move a little too far. The battery dies. The graphics feel just slightly off compared to what your brain expects. Your face gets sweaty. Your room is messy, so mixed reality looks weird. Your controllers drift. Your tracking glitches. You need to update the headset. Then your apps stop loading. It's never one big problem. It's 10 little ones. And those little ones are what stop VR from becoming a lifestyle product. Meta Quest 4 is rumored to be engineered around one single idea: removing friction until VR becomes natural. That's why this headset is such a big deal, and why if Meta gets this right, Quest 4 won't just be a gaming device. It'll be a portable alternate reality.